Hello everyone. Today, I'm pulling out this box of old brick phones once again. Let's pick one of these phones and use it for an incredibly interesting project. A DIY tech gadget that will definitely surprise you at the very end. First, remove the back cover and use a mini screwdriver set to take apart the entire outer casing. Be careful not to damage any of the internal circuits while doing this. To bring this device back to life, cleaning is absolutely essential. I'll quickly cut the bottom off an empty plastic bottle to make a small cleaning tray. Spray a little cleaning solution into it. Then, use a cotton swab dipped in the solution and carefully clean every part. Pay special attention to the keypad contacts, SIM card slot, and the screen frame. A clean circuit board is crucial for ensuring everything works smoothly in the breakthrough step coming up later. Once that's done, reassemble the screen and keypad into the front housing. Next, place the motherboard back into its original position and tighten all the screws. Now comes the most important part. Prepare 2 electrical wires and apply a little solder to improve conductivity and adhesion. Then solder the 2 wires to the battery contact terminals on the motherboard. Don't forget to insert an old SIM card into the SIM slot. This is the secret key that activates this system's special capability. Finally, feed the 2 wires through a small hole in the back cover and close the phone. To control this device assembly, we'll need a small switch. Solder 2 wires to the switch terminals. Connect one of the switch wires to one of the wires coming from the phone. Next, take a section of PVC pipe and an antenna from an old Wi-Fi router. Mark 2 holes at both ends of the PVC pipe and drill them. Then install the Wi-Fi antenna into one of the holes. This rod will act as the signal collector and resonator. After that, connect the remaining switch wire to the wire from the Wi-Fi antenna. Be sure to use heat shrink tubing and carefully heat it with a lighter to seal all connections securely and safely. Now let's move on to the transmission cable. Prepare a specialized copper core cable. Use a utility knife to strip off the outer insulation. Pull back the shielding braid. And remove the inner white plastic layer to expose the pure copper core. Connect the shielding braid to the junction between the switch and the phone. Connect the copper core to the remaining wire from the phone. As before, cover all connections thoroughly with heat shrink tubing. At the other end of the cable, strip it in the same way. And firmly attach a right-angle metal connector. Wrap a little red electrical tape around it for reinforcement. At this point, judging by the connector, some of you may already have a rough idea of what this project is going to be. We're almost finished. To keep this assembly standing securely, I'll use a sturdy flat base. Using a hot glue gun, apply thick lines of glue to firmly attach the PVC pipe assembly and the phone side by side. Carefully route all the wiring and the switch inside the PVC pipe. Add a little more glue to secure the switch button so it's easy to operate. And now, the answer to our mystery project, a homemade high-definition digital TV antenna. It's time for the real-world test. I'll place the device next to this Sony TV and connect the cable to the antenna input on the back. Press the switch on the phone assembly to power up the system. Then grab the remote control. Open the settings menu and select Auto Digital Channel Scan. Let's see what happens. Wow, do you see that? The number of detected channels keeps increasing. The picture quality is incredibly sharp. From TV dramas to entertainment channels, everything plays smoothly with no lag or signal interruptions at all. To prove that this is really the power of the homemade antenna and not video editing, I'm going to unplug the cable. There you go. The screen immediately goes black and reports a signal loss. Now I'll plug it back in, and the picture comes right back, crystal clear. Amazing! Let me show you the backside for proof. As you can see, the only antenna cable connected here is the one from our project. So, with just a few old and unused items, we've successfully built a highly effective and budget-friendly TV antenna. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye, and I'll see you in the next video.